Hey Vitality, it's Matt Adlard here, and today we are making cookies, but these are not any old cookies. These are peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies, and they're refined sugar-free and gluten-free. Now typically a cookie recipe would involve a lot of beating and mixing, but we're not going to do any of that. This is a one-bowl wonder recipe, and once you've had a bite of this freshly baked cookie, you are going to be in absolute bliss. So get your ingredients out, get your apron on, and let's bake.
Start by adding your peanut butter into a large bowl. Now you can use any nut butter you want, so you can use almond butter or hazelnut butter depending on the flavour you want to go for. And on top of that we're going to add our other wet ingredients. I've got an egg, some melted butter, some maple syrup and then vanilla. And we're going to stir that together until the mixture starts to thicken ever so slightly. We'll go slightly darker in colour as well. Then on top of that we're going to add our dry ingredients. So I've got coconut sugar, coconut flour, salt and baking powder, and you're just going to stir that together. Initially it will look a little bit dry, but as you keep mixing it, it should form a nice cookie dough that we can then chill.
What we're going to do now is we're going to chill that cookie dough for about an hour in the fridge. That's just going to make it so much easier to work with, but also it's going to help with the shape when it comes to baking. And I would take an ice cream scoop, I would scoop out that cookie batter and put it onto a piece of parchment. That's just going to help give you a really nice even cookie. Then we're going to bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes until they are nice and golden around the edge.
Take the chilled cookie dough and scoop it into nice even balls. I'm going to bake these for about 15 minutes, and then halfway through the bake you're going to take a glass and press the cookie balls down, and that is just going to give you a nice even circular shape to your cookie. Take some kitchen tweezers if you're feeling fancy and press your chocolate chips into the top of the cookie. This will kind of give you a semi-melted texture to the chocolate chip, which is lovely. Then we're going to hit it with some flaky sea salt just to balance the sweetness of that cookie.
And there you have it, homemade peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. And you can swap out that peanut butter for any nut butter that you've got in the cupboard. And you can also swap out the chocolate chips for nuts. Get creative with the flavors and the textures. And if you do make them, please tag us at Vitality UK, and I will see you soon for more.